In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of changing your Reddit password. Changing the passwords of your accounts is always a great idea in order to keep your account secured. In order to change the password of your Reddit, you can either change it with the website of Reddit or the app of Reddit. So for this video, we're going to use the app. So make sure that you are logged in and then open up the app. Tap on the profile icon on the top right. From here you will see this menu. You just need to tap on the settings option on the bottom. Once you're inside the settings option, on the top you'll see a section of general, and under it you'll see account settings. Tap on account settings, and then inside of this you can see an option called change password. Now in order to change your password, you must know your current password. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the forgot password option that you see right here, and you'll need to reset your password. But if you do remember your current password, you can type it in the first box, and then in the next box you need to create a new password. Make sure your password is strong by including numbers, letters and special characters. To reveal your password, you can click on this eye icon. In the last box, you'll again need to confirm your password. And once you typed in all of these three information, you can just tap on save. And your password of Reddit will be successfully changed. You may also be logged out of your account, so you may again need to log into it. So that was a video on how to change your Reddit password. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.